I want some ice cream. Yeah, I know. There's a nice statement. Hello everyone, Anita here, and today we're going to talk about I statements and how to use them. This is something I mentioned in a previous video, so I wanted to make sure to go over it with you. Also, this is probably going to be a pretty short video because this is something that's really easy to learn. So let's just jump right into it. Using I statements allows an individual to be assertive. This is done without accusing anyone or shifting the blame to someone for the way they may feel. Blaming others can often leave them feeling defensive. So here's how to avoid that entirely. First, you must state how you feel like this. I feel, and then state how you feel. Don't worry, I'll give some examples in a bit. Let's just run through the structure first. Next, describe the situation that makes you feel that way by starting with when. Then just give a reason by saying because. And then you want to wrap it up by telling the individual what it is that you need or want, like this. What I need is, or what I want is. Here's an example to help you better understand. I made this template so that you can screenshot it and keep it as a reminder if you need to. I feel frustrated when you leave the dishes out overnight because it gets stinky and disgusting when I wake up and get my coffee. What I need is for them to be rinsed off and put in the dishwasher before we go to bed. Here's another example. I feel really upset when you don't text me back all day because I'm super needy and want your attention all the time. Wait a minute, that's just me. Let's try that again. Because my beliefs are that I'm not important enough to text back. What I want is to get a courtesy text that mentions you are busy and can text back later. That's gonna do it for this video, so what examples can you come up with, or what questions do you have? Just let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching this episode of Psych. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and throw a thumbs up on there if this video helped you in some way. See you later, Stargazer. Bye! That's how you put a kitty down, by the way.